Hi, this is Grandma Karin, and I should start off by introducing myself and my experience. Back in the mid 80s, my oldest son came home from kindergarten and said, "Guess what we're doing on computers, Mom?" I didn't hear a word he said after that. My brain was spinning, and his words sounded like the Peanuts parents. And if you don't remember what that was, it was, and I was stunned. So I let him go off and play. And later on that evening, when my husband came home, I told him that the kids have computers in school and we should probably learn about it. Otherwise, they were going to get ahead of us. My husband, of course, said it's a fad. He said he doesn't need a computer. He's a carpenter. He has a hammer. And it was something that wasn't going to be around for a while. However, I did point out to him that we wait till the kids go to bed every night so we could play Atari. And that was a computer too. So he said, "Well, I'm not interested. You go learn about it." And I did. I took a computer class from a wonderful guy named George Cloward. And he saw that I really wanted to learn. And that's how I started. After the class was complete, he approached me and asked me if I wanted to teach computer classes because his classes on basic computer instruction were starting to explode. And I accepted, of course, and mentored with him for about a year and started teaching computer classes on my own after that. So that's how I got started. And then throughout the years, I did some Microsoft certifications, some CompTIA certifications, some Cisco certifications, and I worked in a variety of environments, mostly government. However, I did do a few stints as IT trainer at a few institutions and enjoyed it a lot. I really enjoyed seeing that light go on for people who were intimidated by computers. Fast forward, it's 2025. I'm actually nearing the end of my career, so to speak, and without retiring, I have retired from the government and I'm doing a couple of part time IT support roles. It's just so I still like seeing that light go on. I answer very similar questions day in and day out. A lot of people my age, they think that they're too old to learn about computers, and I don't think so. So I wanted to bring some of that encouragement